Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to begin, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. So I'm just gonna, for instance, use this as an example. And once you have it open, there's a couple of ways you can do it. Number one is by holding power key and volume down, or I think pressing it actually. Yep, just tap on volume down and power key, and that's one way. The other way is to slide your palm across the device, so let's just try that. Get it differently. There we go, you've seen the flash also appeared. So you basically slide your palm from right to left, and that takes a screenshot as well. And now the images that we capture can be found right in here. As you can see, those are the two screenshots. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.